Hello guys, in this video we're going to be talking about top 10 WordPress plugins. So without further ado, let's get straight down to it. So the first plugin on our list is Elementor Page Builder, which is right here. So you just go to Plugins under your WordPress dashboard, add new, and go in the box and click Write Elementor. This will come up. Click and install and activate. There's other add-ons as well, but we're talking about Elementor right now. So let me show you how it's used. So here we are. This is the Elementor panel. As you can see, it's straightforward blocks, drag and drop. So say if you want to change that, you just click over that. There's the writing. You change it to whatever you want. So let's say I want to change it to production. As you can see, it changes there. Whatever I change there, it changes there. So I'm going to move it back to products and say if I want to change the color, go to style, text color, and as you can see, I don't have anything on there, but I can always change that and go there, so forth. Yeah, so that's the Elementor plugin. Now we'll move on to the second. The second plugin on our list is called My Sticky Menu. So again, you come down to plugins under your WordPress dashboard, add new, and in the search box write My Sticky Menu, and this will come up. Sticky menu on scroll, sticky header, footer, and what I want you to do is make sure that it's by Premium. Yeah, so is this one here by Premium. So let me show you how it's used. So this is the settings for it. So all you do, you can put the other class ID here and put .site header, and you can actually choose from here as well, main menu and so forth. I'll put the direct header into it, and you can do the settings from here, sticky color and so forth. How it works, I'm going to show you right now. Right guys, so once you've done the setting there, this is how you run it. So if you scroll down in this website, what will happen, as you can see, the menu here is scrolling down with it. That's a sticky menu. So this will be mobile responsive and everything as well. So your menu is going down. You don't want people to find it hard to navigate around your website. So that helps you keep that sorted. Okay, time for the next plugin. Okay guys, so the third plugin on our list is Essential Add-ons for Elementor. It's a really good plugin. It's got a lot of widgets. So let me show you how it runs on the front end. Here you go guys, so once you've downloaded and installed the plugin, you'll get another little drop down on your Elementor sidebar, which is Essential Add-ons right here. So now I'm just going to show you a few of these tabs, and I'm just going to drag and put them on to where they should be. So let's go Advanced Accordion. Okay, so you got accordion tab here. You can do it in different, you can do a toggle, switch it to toggle, and it goes into toggle mode. Yeah, so look, you see, and so forth. Or you can leave it as an accordion, and then it goes into the accordion mode where it goes like that, there. Now we can do the content setting. Let's just put something onto it. So if we click this, there you have it. Yeah, we click that, there you have it. So all of these you can chunk into it. Yeah, all of these things can go onto it. You set it up accordingly. And if we change it to toggle, again, you won't have to worry. You just do this, toggles up, downwards. Look. Yeah, toggle up, toggle down. Okay, icon position, you can put left, right, whatever you want to do. And again, as always, change the colors and so forth. Tab style. Okay, let's go for tab style. Now we've got the colors of the tab style here. We can put whatever. So there's the background color. I want to change that. Let's just say I want to go for the red on that, and I want to go for the sharper red on that, and the writing's a bit sharp, so I'm going to give it a white writing. Now as you can see, it's gone like this. Okay, now if I go to hover, I want to change it on hover, and I want to make it not gray, but I want to make it black on hover. Background color, text color, this time I'm gonna make give it a different touch. This time I want to make the text color yellow. Okay, so I want a background text color yellow. So if I go into it, look, you see, it's quite interesting the things that you can do with it, design it and so forth. So now if I update that, okay, then I'm going to show you this on the front end now. Just give me one moment. As you can see, there's the tab right there. You see, yeah, I didn't do much of a features onto it, but look, see, generally that's how it's worked out and so forth. So there you have it. That's Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Okay, the next plugin on our list is Really Simple SSL. So all you do again, go to plugins, add new on the back end of WordPress, type in really simple SSL, and it's the first one here with a padlock. So let me show you what it's about. Okay, SSL certificate, for those of you that don't know, is basically encrypted certificate. The padlock on top that loads of people call it is this right here, the little padlock on top of the website. So this is now Google you must have this, otherwise they won't rank your website. And if you don't have the SSL, which is an encryption, so if somebody tries to hack into your website, they won't be able to steal the data. It will be encrypted, so that keeps you secure. It's very important, so keep that in mind. Really simple SSL. So that's the third plugin. Now let's move on to the next. And so the fourth plugin on our list comes, which is premium add-ons for Elementor. So on the back end of WordPress plugins, add new, just write premium add-on in the search, and it will be this first one that comes on, premium add-ons for Elementor. Let me show you how to work this. So here we go. As you can see, this is the back end of Elementor, which is the page builder that I was showing you earlier. So the premium add-ons is this here. Okay, when you put that plugin in, you will get this option. You click on this. Now this will give you free theme templates to go with it, premium templates. Yeah, you can have all sorts of call to action buttons, everything, every widget you can think of. As you can see, we've got all sorts of actionable buttons there. Now the pro version is obviously going to be a pro version, but you get free versions here as well. Look, so this is free. If I want that section to go in my thing, let me just go into it, show you. Okay, just give me one moment while it loads up. Another situation. Let me just do direct insert, hopefully give us a better result. Loading in now. Give it one moment. Once it comes on, there we go. As you can see, we've just inserted that block. There we go. So that block has come here, and as you can see, as you scroll down, it looks like as if the person is cycling. You see, it's really nice, effective, and all of this is editable. So if I go here, I can change all this content and that picture. You can see there's pictures there. I can change the writing for this. Okay, I'm just gonna add a S on just to show you. So Gregory Erics this came to now. Yeah, as you can see, watch the S go back and forward. There you go. So that's what you can do to that right there. So that's premium add-ons for Elementor, and at the same time you can change all this writing, change that, whatever part of the sections you want, you can change. So now let's go to the next plugin. Okay, so now the next plugin on our list is about cache. It's very important, and it's called W3 Total Cache. So once you type in cache, it will come up. Is this one here, W3 Total Cache. You really need to clear the cache to make sure that users get the correct pages, loading times and speeds, and everything, content comes up in front of them without further delay. So all you do, you go here and just click on purge all caches. So that button will, once you're logged into your WordPress, that will come up on top bar right there. All it is, click it, purge all caches, and now that will get rid of all the caches that's on the website, including for the user as well, making the user experience much better and faster. So that's that one there, W3 Total Cache. Let's move on to the next. We all require nice flash photography on our website, so the next plugin does just that. It's called Smart Slider 3. And what it does is it creates slides on the front end of your websites for people to see your products or your content, whatever it may be. So without further ado, let me show you how to set it up and how it works. Here we go. So once you've installed the plugin, and you can see on the left hand side there will be a menu there, Smart Slider. You click on the dashboard. Here we are. There's some projects there, so you can create, and here's one that I'm just going to put on right now. So let me just show you how to use it. We click on this. This is just a sample slider. I'll show you how it's used. So that's how the slider is. Yeah, and now it's already done. You can do all this controls and everything. Here's the short code for it. So I collect the short code. I'm just going to show you how to install this on the front end right now. Give me one moment. Here we are, and this is the Elementor editor. So if we come to the widgets here, once the slides are ready, you just come here, Smart Slider, okay, and drag that widget right the way down to, give me one moment, Okay, so with the section dragged into the block, I click on it. Okay, and I'll say insert into that block, and it will insert it in now. Okay, there it is. This is how it's showing to be right now. So I'm going to show you how it will be. Let me make it full width so it looks nicer, because the box is a bit thing. So what we want to do is stretch section, make it full width. Okay, and we're going to click on update here. Right, just give me one moment and I'll show you how it looks on the front end. There you go, guys. That's how it looks on the front end. So I'm not going to do anything. It's got a timer on it, look, by itself, and you can make changes to it to the way that you want, but it makes the website really have very good flash photography, and at the same time makes the website very interesting. So that's Smart Slider 3. So let's get down to the next one, plugin. Okay guys, so the next plugin number 8. The next plugin on our list is WooCommerce, one of the most important plugins for e-commerce website. So you go to plugins on your WordPress dashboard, add new, type in WooCommerce, and it's this one here. So WooCommerce, I've already got it, activated it, so let me show you how to use this. So there you have it. Once you have it installed, then you'll get an option there called WooCommerce, and I'm just on the settings of it. This is the basic settings panel, and I'll show you how to see it. Right, as you can see, you put your store address, city, and so forth in there, and get it going, currency and so forth. You get that going, and from there then you come over here to products, or you add products in. I've got products here just to show you anyway. So these are your products into it. Let me just show you one of the products. So handpicked coffee. Now I'll just show you how this works. Okay, and I'll show you how this will be on the front end. So this is basically just a simple product. You can make it variable and different shapes and sizes. You put your whatever description you want about it, and that's the product. And let me show you how it looks on the actual front end of the website. Give me one moment. There you go, guys. That's how the shop page looks. Now this is all the products into it that you put into it. Now the one we were looking for, or the one that we were working on or looking at, is this one here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. This is how the store looks. There you go. As you can see, you can put all your description there. Click add to cart. You can put your little description there and minor description up there. Add it to cart, and now we've got that in our cart. As you can see, it's coming to our cart panel, and now we can just go to view cart. Okay, and there it is. We have everything, and we can proceed that to checkout, put all the details of it and so forth. So one of the most important plugins for an e-commerce website, in fact the most important plugin, is WooCommerce, without a doubt. So that was WooCommerce. Let's get down to the next plugin. Okay guys, the next plugin is about search engine optimization, and it's called Yoast SEO. So again, plugins, add new on the back end of your WordPress, type in Yoast SEO, or you could just type in SEO and it will come up as well. Yoast SEO. So you get that, and I'll show you how to work this. This is all to do with search engine optimization. Give me one moment and I'll show you how to use it. Right guys, here we go. So once you've downloaded the plugin, you will get little things there saying SEO with a little Y there. That's the one. So what you want to do is you want to go first of all to Webmaster Tools, and you want to get your Google Search Console code. So I'm sure by now everyone knows how to do Google Search Console. If not, leave a comment below in the video and we'll make a video on how to set up your Search Console with your website. So for the rest of you, all you have to do is just click on the Search Console. You will get the code from there, and you will put that code in here. Yeah, update it, and then it will be there in the Google search. So your websites will start coming up in Google search. This is the thing that brings it up in the Search Console. Okay, so once you've got that, this will, your website will start coming up in the Search Console, and I'll just show you an example of it. Give me one moment. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about. So as you can see, all of this would be set up, majority of these would be set up using some sort of thing like that. Yeah, you will have all these things into it. Now you can see this arrow, or you can see that arrow. Now I'm going to show you how you can do all that setup as well over here. One moment. So if you come into the back end again and click on SEO and click on search appearance, there's all the different types of arrows that you can use. So that website was using better yet, like Amazon, which is using a single arrow here, I'll show you that on the back end. That arrow is this one right here. And so you put all your information about it, your organization name and logo, which I'll show you on the front end again. That would come under your organization name. So you see it's the keywords that are typed in. That's search engine optimizing. So look, online shopping there. Beginning keyword is online shopping. And then it starts carrying on with the keywords. So there's about 40,000 plus results with these keywords of online shopping in there. So the more keywords you put in there, the more you start getting ranked up, and all of these other websites are with it as well. So that's a very important plugin to get yourself ranked up in the search engine. Okay, so that's that. And here we are, we've arrived to our final plugin, the 10th plugin, which is Everest Form Builder. So just write Everest Forms in the search filter. So plugins, add new in the WordPress backend. Right, Everest Forms is this first one here. And I'll show you, basically every website needs a form where customers can contact you, or your audiences can contact you, and you're easily able to receive their messages from your website. So let me show you how this works. Right guys, so once you download it, you will get tag over here saying Everest Forms, and then I've just made one here which is contact form, but you can add a new one. I'll just show you the basic of it, just so how it looks, and then I'll show you on the front end how it looks. So as you can see, all the field options are there. Majority of what you need you will be able to use in the free version. So website URL, date and time, which is very good. I mean, a lot of the places you're not able to use that. There's other stuff you can use, payment fields and so forth, in the paid version, but for now I'm just showing you the actual normal version. Yeah, so it's just name, email, subject and message, and you can add rows and so forth. But let me show you on the front end how this looks. Right, give me one moment. So once you have designed your form, you get a shortcode like this. Right click, copy that, and I'm going to show you how to put this on the front end of the website. Here we go. So we're on the front end. Once you come here, all you do is just go to the search filter, write shortcode, and you'll get that. All you got to do is just drag that up to where you want it to go. I've already have in this case here. So there's a shortcode. You're asking for the shortcode, and I'm going to paste it in. There we are, and there's a form right there. As you can see, everything's all set up onto it. Look. So let me show you how it looks on the actual front end. Give me one moment. So we click on update here. Once we click on update there, save there. Now give me one moment, I'll show you on the front end. There you are guys. So that's how it looks on the front end. You can type in their name and so forth, whatever you want, and the email. And if I click on submit button, as you can see, it won't submit without them filling out any of these things. You can make how you want it. You make it optional, or you can make it required. So as you can see, I've just left it as required fields for now. So without filling that out, you won't get this information, or you won't submit rather, without them putting that information in. So there you go, that was that. So there you have it guys, top 10 WordPress plugins, all free and done for you, and you can do all your things that you want to do with your website for free using those plugins. So if you enjoyed the video, please consider hitting the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you get notification every time we upload a video like this. And as always, if there's something you would like us to make a content or video around, please do comment below and let us know what you think. Even with these plugins, if you have any comments or suggestions, please do comment below and let us know, and we will make a next video on exactly what you request. Anyhow, over and out, take care, bye bye.